My dear students, myself Lakshman Kale, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Hariyal. Today I am going to interact with you. What is profits and gains from business or profession? In that session, introduction to business. Then, before computing the income from business or profession, first we need to understand what is the term business. So profit of any business or profession is chargeable to tax under this head, profits and gains from business and profession. It is the most important head of income apart from other heads of income, because maximum amount of the revenue is collected by the government from this head. The term business defined as per section 2 subsection 13. It includes any trade, commerce or manufacture or any adventure or concern in the nature of trade or commerce or manufacture is called business as per Income Tax Act 1961. So in simple words, business means any activity carried on with profit motive. However, the above definition is inclusive but not exhaustive. So while computing the income from business and profession, following important points we should adhere. So business must be carried on by SSC. Business must be carried on during the previous year. Only profit of the previous year are to be taxed. Income includes negative income, that is loss. Relevance of method of accounting, cash or mercantile. A person cannot do business with oneself, hence notional profit is not taxable. There is no difference between legal and illegal business for taxation purpose. Even income from illegal business shall be taxable. So, following are the incomes which are chargeable to tax under income from business and profession under section 28. Profits and gains from business and profession. Income arising to any SSC by way of profits and gains from business and profession carried on by SSC any time during the previous year is chargeable to tax under the head of income from business. So compensation due or received. Any compensation or any other payment due or received by a person managing the affairs of the company, affairs of any other company in India, so holding agency of India for business of any person, connection with the termination of his office or agency, so which is the management of any purpose, that business is taxable as a business income. Income of trade or similar association. So the income derived by trade or professional or similar association from specific services rendered or performed for its member is also taxable under this head. Profit on sale of license. The profit on sale of license granted under the Import and Export Control Act 1947 is also taxable under the head of income from business. Cash assistance against exports. Cash assistance received or receivable by any persons against exports under any scheme of the government is taxable under the head of income from business. Duty of custom or excise. Any duty of custom or excise repaid or repayable as drawback to any person against exports under any scheme of the government is taxable under the head of income from business. Profit on transfer of duty entitlement. Any profit on transfer of duty entitlement passbook scheme being duty remission scheme under the export and import policy duly formulated and announced under Foreign Trade Act 1992 also taxable under the head of income from business. Profit on transfer of duty replenishment certificate. Any profit on transfer of duty free replenishment certificate being duty remission scheme under the export and import policy formulated and announced in the Foreign Trade Act 1992 is also taxable under the head of income from business. The value of benefit or perquisite. The value of any benefit or perquisite, whether convertible into money or not, arising from business or exercise of profession is taxable under this head. Interest, salary, etc. due to received by a partner. Any interest, salary, bonus, commission, remuneration due to or received by a partner of a firm, such firm is taxable under the head in the hands of partners. In case such interest, salary, etc. any part thereof has not been allowed to be deducted in computing the total income of the firm under section 40B. Receipt for not carrying out any activity. So any sum received for not carrying out any activity in relation to business or profession, or for not sharing any know-how, patent, copyright, trademark, license, franchise is taxable under the head of income from business. Then receipts on keyman insurance policy. Any sum received on keyman insurance policy including bonus allocated on such policy is also taxable under this head. So any sum received on certain capital asset, any sum received on receivable in cash or kind on capital asset, so under section 35 AD is also taxable under the head of income from business. Speculation business or income from speculation business, where the speculative transactions carried on by the SSC are of such nature to constitute so speculation business. A business which is dealing in the speculative transaction is known as speculation business. For example, a contract of purchase or sale of any commodity including stock and shares is settled otherwise than by actual delivery or transfer of commodity is called speculative business as per section 43 subsection 5. So treatment of income from speculation business. Any profit from speculation business is included in regular business income, but from speculation business cannot be set off against any other income except other speculation profit. An absorbed speculation loss can be carried forward and set off within 4 years. Hence, the accounts of speculation business should be maintained separately to the profit and loss of that business. So, deemed profit section 41. The following receipts are deemed to be income of the business or profession and are taxable. Recovery of loss or expenditure. The amount received in respect of loss or expenditure allowed as deduction in the earlier years is deemed to be profit of the previous year, so during which it is received by the assessee whether such business or profession is in existence or not. Then remission or cessation of liability. So the amount of liability which is allowed as deduction in the earlier years, if ceased, deemed to be profit, so in the previous year during which it is waived by the creditors. Surplus on sale of asset. When any building or machinery or plant furniture held by undertaking engaged in the generating and distribution of the power on which depreciation claimed on the original cost on such asset is sold, discarded or demolished or destroyed, the sale value exceeds the written down value so much of the excess as does not exceed the difference between the actual cost and written down value is chargeable to tax as income of the business. Bad debts recovered. The bad debts recovered which were written off in the earlier years allowed as deduction are deemed to be profits of the previous year during the recovery whether the business is existence or not. Income of discontinuous business. If there are any income after the close of the business, it is liable to tax as the income from business. Computation of income under section 29. The income from profits and gains from the business or profession should be contained in the section 3244D. Deduction in respect of expenditure and allowance dealt within the section 3237. So format for computation of income from business. The following format we are used to compute the income, taxable income from business of Mr. So and so for the assessment year 2020-21. We need to take net profit as per the profit and loss account. So on the top of the statement, add inadmissible or disallowed or not permitted expenses like personal expenses, capital expenditure, expenses relating to other heads, other expenditure not related to business, depreciation debited to profit and loss account. On that aggregate value, we need to less income relating to other heads and exempted incomes like income relating to other heads, exempted incomes. In that aggregate value, we need to deduct, then less depreciation as per rule under section 32. Difference is called taxable income from business. This is the step we need to follow for computation of income from business. Suppose net loss is given in the problem, the step is reversed. So thank you for watching this video.